Hello everyone. We all know that algebraic identities help us a lot while solving so many questions, and they're very important to be learned. So through this activity, we'll be verifying the algebraic identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square through the paper cutting and pasting method. So let us understand what all is to be done. The aim of the activity is to verify the algebraic identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. The pre-acquired knowledge is the concept of area of the square and of the rectangle, and the calculation of area of square and of rectangle. So the material required will be needing the colored sheets, scissors, pencil, ruler, fevistick, or any other adhesive will do. So let us see how we are doing it. The first step is that cut a square of size 11 centimeters. I've taken it 11 centimeters. You can take it of any dimension. But if I want to show a plus b whole square, so I'll have to give some value to a and some to b. In this activity, I've taken a to be as 8 centimeters and b to be as 3 centimeters. So if I want to prove that a plus b whole square, so I'll have to take a square of side a plus b, so 8 plus 3 centimeters. So, and I paste it as shown in this figure. So this is a square of side a plus b. Length is also a plus b, breadth is also a plus b. 8 plus 3, 11 centimeters square I have made. And the area of this square becomes a plus b whole square. So this becomes my figure 1. So while doing the work in the MATLAB file, this becomes my figure 1. Then the next step is cut a square of side 8 centimeter, a square of side 3 centimeter, and two rectangles of length 8 and breadth 3 centimeters. So I need all this. Let us see what all. First, a square of side 8 centimeters. 8 was what? 8 was the value of a. So I take a square of side a units. Its area becomes a square. Then I take another square of side 3 centimeters, and 3 was what? 3 was b. So I call it b square. I take the third thing I take two rectangles, each of length how much? 8 and breadth 3. So A was 8, so this becomes A. Breadth B was 3, so this becomes B. So the area comes out to be A into B. So now let us try to arrange them on this square and see what will happen. I take this square and I put it here. Then I take the second square and let me take it here. I take this rectangle also and I put it here, and I take the second rectangle and I put it over here. So this square, this rectangle and this square, they have all completely overlapped the square of side A plus B units. So let me explain the procedure to you once again. So what we had done, we had taken a square first of all of side 11 centimeters and pasted, and that was figure 1. Then we took what? After that, we took two squares, one of side 8 centimeters, which is a square. The other one, this yellow square of side 3 centimeters, which is the square of side B. So its area becomes B square. And two rectangles of length 8 and breadth 3 centimeters. So that is the area comes out to be A into B. Now I have pasted them, and you can see that the green square of side A plus B units, that is 11 centimeters, has been completely covered by a square, B square, and two rectangles of sides A and B. So that was the third step. And the side of the square form, let us check. Now this was A and this is B. This is A and this is B. Again, this was A. If you take it off, this was A. And because this is B, so this also comes out to be B. So this is again A plus B. So this is the second figure in the pasting work that you will do. So I have shown you the two figures. The first figure was a square of side A plus B units, that is 11 units. And the second figure, you can see it is again a combination of all the four figures that we had taken. The square of side 8 units, the square of side 3 units, and two rectangles of side 8 into 3 units. So let me explain the complete activity to you. The area of the square formed in this figure 2 is what? It is the length is A and it is B. So this is a complete square of length A plus B. So we had taken a green square of side A plus B, and this has completely overlapped this one. The area of the square formed in this figure is A plus B whole square. This area A plus B whole square is equal to sum of the areas of this square, this rectangle, this square, and this rectangle. That means I can say that this A plus B whole square area is equal to area of this square, which is A into A, a into b, and then b square. So that means I can take it to be as a square plus ab plus ba plus b square, which is equal to how much? A square plus 2ab plus b square, and that is equal to a plus b whole square. So I can conclude that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. I hope this activity will help you remember the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Thank you so much.